Hi, to change clock size and lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S25, just open your phone settings. From here, scroll a bit down to find Wallpaper and Style tab. Then tap on your lock screen right here. And after that, you will be able to customize it, including changing clock size. For that, tap on your clock and drag the corners like that. This is the biggest option and that is the smallest option. So just change its size and then drop your finger like that and tap down to confirm the changes. Another way how you can change it is directly from your lock screen. For that, press and hold it, then unlock to add it. And as we did before, tap on time and simply drag the corners to adjust its size like this. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.